The Bleddfa Centre has been here for about 30 years. It's really makes the most of this lovely rural spot. The buildings are this hall barn where we're working now with the children, which is ideal for workshops and larger gatherings, but also a very nice little gallery, a tea shop area down here in the old schoolhouse. So it's making use of buildings that otherwise perhaps wouldn't be in use or would be in private hands, and making them open and available and welcoming to the public and to projects like this. The funding's been very important in enabling us to actually put the project on, and it's enabling us to reach 90 primary school children, years 5 and 6, from the Radnorshire area, and bringing them to this lovely environment, the Bleddfa Centre here, where they're going to work with storyteller Michael Harvey, who's a very experienced workshop leader, and they're going to develop stories which they've dreamt up on site here and taking their inspiration from the surroundings. Then a local artist called Lois Hopwood, who's also here today, is going to work further with the children so that those who have more of an aptitude or an interest in visual arts get to express themselves visually as well. That's all going to culminate in an exhibition here at Bleddfa Centre in the gallery next spring. It's going to be in the Easter holidays so that as many family members etc. can visit. And we think it's really important because we're in a very remote rural area. It's very beautiful, but it is remote, and we're beyond the reach of most of the national companies and their outreach work. So we feel as a local festival that it's important that we help people get away into creative work whilst they're at an early age.